Engineering technology exposes students to more practical hands-on engineering. Traditional engineering will focus more on design and research, while engineering technology tends to prepare students to enter the workforce in an engineering role that's more on the hands-on side of engineering. Many times what you find is that there is a disconnect between the engineers and the technicians. Our engineering technology graduates are going to fill that space. They understand the language of the engineers. They also understand the language of the technicians. And they become that bridge between these two extremes, you might call it. One amazing opportunity for our students who start out at community college, who maybe never even considered a bachelor's degree, but now have the pathway to do that. One is the Bachelor of Science in Lean Systems Engineering Technology, and the second one is the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering Technology. We have been very intentional in exploring avenues that give students the best resources and to better prepare them. And to do that, we tap into the resources that are available in the community college system across the state, allowing students to spend the first 2 years in the community college before transferring to UK. Does two things. One, it broadens access. It allows students who don't normally consider a 4-year degree to now consider that, because now they have a pathway to earn an associate of applied science degree and then continue and get a Bachelor of Science degree in engineering technology. The second is also give these students very high quality education through our community college system, and then coming to UK and capping that out with another high quality 2 years at UK before entering the workforce. Students that graduate out of the Department of Engineering Technology will join UK's amazing alumni community and all the benefits of networking, support structure that comes out with that. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in our program.